Hello everyone, this is me Munada Gari. I hope you are doing amazing. So today I have two young entrepreneurs with me who are here to share their wonderful journey with us. So let's begin to know more about them and their journey. So we have...
Hi, this is Taneem Rajani.
Hi, this is Syed Hasan Abbas.
We are doing MBBS from Karachi Institute of Medical Sciences.
Alright, so first questions first. I want to know more about your business, like how you guys started it, क्या idea था, कब सोचा, कैसे सोचा and all.
Meduzo is basically a brainchild of two medical students. In 2018, we planned and conceived our business, and later in October 2018, we started our operation. Meduzo basically offers customized, made-to-order accessories for health professionals, and that's everything about it.
Alright, Banin, so may I know what does the term Meduzo means?
Meduzo is basically means medical wear in Esperanto. अगर हम देखा जाए तो ये दो words हैं जिससे मिला के Meduzo बना है, which is med means medical and Muzo means youth in Esperanto.
May I know what made you come into this business?
Health industry, especially the medical practice, is a very strenuous job. Doctors or medical staff more than 24 hours without any motivation अपनी challenging duties निभा रहे होते हैं. So since me and Banin, we both are happy-go-lucky, boisterous personalities, so we both need colors and smiles everywhere. We thought of creating something that would decrease the heaviness at the work environment. So
The only thing we could change instantly is our outfits. तो हमने सोचा कि customized lab coats और scrubs बनाए जाए. इसके अलावा हम चाहते थे कि colored scrubs हो ताकि लोग पहने और हमेशा के मुंह पे smile रहे और वो लोग खुश रहें. So trust me, everyone was dying to get one.
Which is a great idea, just by the way. Were you guys not afraid? Like, you guys could have done a job as well.
Actually, as students, we neither could enter into a job nor needed one. पैसा हमारे लिए इस वक्त motive नहीं था. It's rather a quest for a better world, beautiful us and a prettier environment.
money comes as a byproduct in our initiative, and so the element of fear came into inexistence since Meduzo itself is an obsession for us.
Okay, so coming to the most critical point of your business, and I believe every business goes through a lot of ups and downs. So may I know that what were your challenges when you guys were coming into this business? What you guys went through and all?
Yes, we faced up and downs, but never in the 2 years we have been frightened up by these hurdles. In hurdles से हमें confidence मिला, new ideas मिले, नए लोग मिले, उल्टा हमें motivation मिली. And the main thing basically is the main ups and downs are academic preoccupation. It's obvious कि एक medical student को अच्छे marks भी लाने होते हैं, घर की तरफ से भी pressure होता है. उसके साथ अगर एक business करना, तो this is a challenging thing. And secondly, the inability to invest at times in new ideas. आप student होते हुए आपको घर की तरफ से भी pressure है, सब कुछ है. This was our basic ups and downs. Rest all have been the routine upheavals that comes in every business and nothing else.
Alright, if I ask you guys that what was your main motivational factor, तो वो क्या होगा?
So our motivation factor was to add color to the lives of people who add colors in the life of humans. As doctors, तो just visualize कि doctors, nurses, paramedic staff अपनी मर्जी से अपने favorite color में घूम रहे हो, like not in lab coats but in scrubs. हम we are the pioneers जिसने सबसे पहले customization start की online. So we tried कि हम हर color की embroidery अपने customers को provide करें, हर doctor को, nurses को, paramedic staff को हर color की embroidery whatever they want उनको मिले और any font, any color. और इसके अलावा अगर एक जो देखा जाए कि डल ग्रीन कलर से एक स्क्रब है, उससे अगर कोई कलरफुल में आएगा तो obviously it makes them happy.
That seems amazing. Yes, definitely.
Simply we can say that it gives a better environment to your workspace. It can give a better shape and a modern shape to this medical industry, we can say.
Okay, so last but not the least, are there any advices which you want to give to the new entrepreneurs who are planning to, start their businesses, and what kind of advices would you like to give to them?
Yes, I have some advices for new entrepreneurs. Like, if you want success, you have to be confident. Secondly, pursue your dreams and ideas. Hurdles और challenges के सामने झुको मत, और अपने ideas को external pressure की वजह से abandon ना करो.
Which I believe is the main thing nowadays, because the society we live in, that is the main thing.
And one thing I would like to add is go for the implementation of your wildest thoughts. Since these wildest thoughts are the purest ones, and they are the most intelligent ones. This is everything.